or something. Super. Okay, I think this is, I can't think of the name of it. I think that's what this is. Boundless Burrows sketchbook and palette box set plus a course. Okay. I wasn't going to get this because I thought it was ridiculously expensive, but the sketchbook was so cute. Yes. So Etchr and Emily Hughes. So that's the artist, I guess, who did this. Watercolor sketchbook, grab and go gouache palette. Why did I thought it was watercolor, so I'm kind of happy it's gouache. And 90-day access to Emily's course. So I figured what I would do is, okay, you just get the palette. You don't get the colors. You just get a little palette box. That's what I thought. But I have gouache. How much was this? $124. Just insane, if you ask me, but okay. That's why I decided I wasn't going to get it. And then somebody mentioned it, and I went, oh, that's so cute. I wish they would just let you buy the sketchbook. Because I signed up for to order a different one because I like the sketchbook. All right. Oh, look at the bunny. It's so cute. I love this color pink. So I figured I would take the class and, oh, it's a big size too. So that's good. I like this size. Oh, stickers. Little bunny stickers. Oh, so cute. So gouache color mixing guide. Is this regular gouache or I'm sure it is. Yeah, so regular gouache. This feels really weird. And a little print of the bunny. The bunny is adorable. Okay, and this is the, oh, I didn't know it had the bunny on it. That's cute. For $124, you should have at least gotten a tube of paint or so, but whatever. Okay. So I have had this before, and I've had one of these before, and I didn't particularly, it might be, oh God, why is there a hair in it? Ew. I just opened it, and my hair is up. It wasn't my hair. Oh, God. It stays, this like rubber thing stays down so that it's airtight, but I don't know. I just, maybe because I'm not an outdoor painter, but I'd rather just use the tubes. So anyway, but it's supposed to be it's supposed to be for gouache. But regular gouache should, well, I don't know. I was gonna say when it dries you can re-wet it, but I think if it, I think it doesn't dry out well like watercolor does. I think there's something different so that it, I don't know. I think it cracks a lot if it dries out. But anyway, it's cute. I might use it for something else, but I don't think I'll put gouache in it. Look at the book. It stinks. I don't know why it smells so bad. Oh. Huh? I don't know. It's coming from this. Is it this? No. I'm just sniffing. It's kind of from this. I don't know. It's from the paper. It kind of stinks. That's so cute. So it's like carved into it. So there's a texture to it. Oh, it's deckled edges. That's neat. Oh, look at the bunny. Oh, that's so cute. There's a pocket in the bag. It feels like hot press. What did it say about it? All right. It is hot press. 22 sheets, 44 pages, 300 GSM hot press, 100% cotton, airtight palette, color mixing guide, stickers, art print, 90-day free access to foundations of portraits in gouache. Okay, so I will watch the class and see what it entails. Probably try to do, I hate that you can't really use the first page. Try to do maybe what's in the class, and I'll come back and I'll let you know. Unless, if there is something I can do, maybe I'll speed paint it. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I gotta go watch the class. Okay. All right. I'll be back. First off, I could not get access to the class that I paid $124 for. So I basically paid $104 for this. Well, okay, so I did get I got some stickers and I got a print. Okay, we'll say 15 bucks, right? I got the sketchbook and I got this. I wouldn't pay more than 10, but I'll give them 15, so that's 30. So what is that? 90. So $94 for the sketchbook. 15 bucks for the print and the stickers, so 10 and 5. And 15 for this. Because I got no class. I got no class. I went on to try to get onto the class, and it said sign in here. So I went to sign in, but I had previously gotten the free, whatever it was, 90-day subscription when I did the New Year's, or the Advent calendar or something, one of those stupid things. So when I went in, they wanted me to pay for it. And I'm like, I'm not paying for it. I didn't use it. I didn't like it. But when I tried to sign on for the class, it said, oh, you can try it for 7 days free. And then we charge you like $154. And I'm like, no. I forget how much it was. I should be more accurate. So I signed on to the box, right? Am I on the right one? No, this one. And it's asking me to pay $54. Well, what is this? Now it's saying it's free. Oh, for God's sake. That changed. Now it says I'm all set. But they must have done something, but they never got back to me. So now I'll do this one. And here's the class. Okay, make me look like a liar, but I could not get access to this. So I painted it without it. I just went by a photo online. So there's a 2-hour class that I can now get into. Great. Okay, so make me a liar. But they didn't get back to me and tell me. I asked them, I said, I just got the box and I'm not able to get into the class. And they're asking me to pay or whatever. And is there a code or something? But they never told me a code. They never got back to me. So, but I guess apparently, if you're having issues, go in and they'll give you some kind of code and it'll let you get back in. Anyway, after all that argument, so I think at least they should have included the gouache for that price. So I did get the class. Okay, so we'll take, I don't know, 20 bucks for the class. Still 74 for the sketchbook. The sketchbook is very cute, but I'm not sure it's worth $74. They should have included, I'm telling you, they don't have to be this size. They make half size. They make like a 5 milliliter. I'll explain that one. They ask you to do, not this one, white and Prussian blue. They could have sent a 5 milliliter white, 5 milliliter blue, and they're not that expensive. They could have thrown that in. Okay? But I grabbed what I had. I didn't have Prussian blue in gouache. I had Katsura blue that was darkest, so. But it was also very vibrant. Prussian blue doesn't tend to be vibrant, so I did add black to mine, just to try to get darker values. I know it's not, I just keep working it, and I'm just overworking it at this point. I'm finding it frustrating because the brushes I have are too big. I'm using 3 different brushes. I mean, it came out okay. I was just trying to copy it exactly, and it just wasn't happening. And the paper is curling up again. I think that's the deal with hot press. I think it just curls up, and I wasn't using a lot of water again. I mean, I kind of did on the background, but it was starting to curl up again. Oh, I don't like how smooth that. I want it to look a little smoother, but I don't know. I couldn't get the hair to look right. I also wasn't looking at a reference photo, so that would have helped. Anyway. That's my rant for this. I just think it was way too expensive. I don't like their lack of communication. even though I was able to get the class. Ugh, hate this. I really think they should have included paint, because it wouldn't have been that much for 2 colors, and you can get the tiny little tubes, and it would have been plenty to do these. I don't know, I keep messing with it. So, I don't know. It's a nice size. It's a good size for me. This is like an average size that I'll do. And I did put the stickers in the back. I like the print. I like the fact that the print is here too, because that's adorable. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna use this for gouache, but I can use watercolor or something in it. But it's got the little bunny on it, so I like that. So yeah, not worth it to me, but worth it because I like the sketchbook. Anyway, so I can't even comment on the class because I didn't take it. I wish they had gotten back to me, because I was waiting and waiting and I didn't hear anything, so I just said, I'm just gonna try to do it on my own. But I would have preferred using a photo as opposed to using a painting. I was using a picture of the painting as a reference, so I didn't like the way they did the hair. It looked odd to me. This is not as bad, I guess. But I was trying to copy the painting as it was, and it's not the same when you copy a painting. It's when you do a photo. So, all right. All right, that's about as much as I'm getting done on this thing. Oh, this is a little messy, though. Did I get rid of this? This brush is too big. The next one, what am I getting next? I did order a couple other sketchbook things, but I don't know when they're coming. I don't think it's going to be for a while. There may be something coming in May. I haven't gotten any further notifications, so actually I was going to do a Sketchbox video this week, but maybe I'll do this week instead. Okay. And next week I'll do Sketchbox. I've got, yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's me complaining about this. Should I watch the class? I think I'll watch the class and I'll come back. Okay. All right, I watched the video. This is still curling up. It's fun. It's a basic class. I mean, I could have gotten some tips from it, but you know, I basically already know how to paint with gouache. But some of the information was useful. But it is more for beginners. I drew him, I mean, I painted him looking a lot younger than he actually is, but, you know, whatever. Yeah, I still think, I never would recommend it, spending that kind of money on this, because I really don't think it's worth it. But yeah, I really wish they had included the paint. If they included the paint, it would have been at least, I don't know, explainable, I suppose. Because it was a 2-hour video. It wasn't, I don't know. I mean, I suppose if I didn't know how to do gouache and I wanted to do it, I would pay $10. I wouldn't pay 20, but I put it at 20. But yeah, but even that, this was like $74. So yeah, not worth it. I did order another kind of similar thing. But it won't be for a few more months, but it's a sketchbook. It's a special sketchbook, which I thought was cute, but it's smaller. I think it's probably about half the size. And comes with the class. This particular class is a style that I'm not, I don't know, comfortable with, I suppose. So maybe it'll be a bit more enlightening for me. So we'll see. So anyway, that is my video for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!